Modernization-as-a-Service, or MaaS, is a turnkey innovative solution that provides fully managed turnkey innovation environments to the Department of Defense. The traditional approach to modernization has been piecemeal. Let's buy some new toys, let's buy some new stuff, let's maybe implement a process here. MaaS is the Tesla, right? This is the new full turnkey modernized solution. The DoD can come to us, and if they have a mission need, they have an innovator, they have a developer, you think of that one person sitting there. There's an entire ecosystem of stuff that they need to be able to do their job, from their computers to a nice facility to do stuff in, to the internet that they're using, secure facilities, software, hardware, networks, sticky pads, coffee services, the whole kit and caboodle. You know, the DoD shouldn't be focused on trying to figure that stuff out. So what MaaS does is MaaS provides that entire ecosystem as a managed turnkey service, the management of your software licenses, your IT help desk, your front desk personnel, so that the DoD just shows up and does work. We call that the MaaS effect. It takes the burden of modernization off of the Department of Defense, puts it on Chenega Applied Solutions so that they can focus on their mission and be successful at it.